asking me a question and everybody gonna be like, how fast you trying to go? We want to see what it can do. So you were saying the screen not going down, the gas is not great, obviously.
Yeah,
I mean, it's
city mileage is not good, but I also drive fast.
Yeah, okay.
So that's a factor.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're gonna drive Miss Daisy, it's probably gonna be a lot better.
When she
but
says,
if I do a lot of freeway driving, it's up to like 18, 19, and I drive fast on the freeway. So
when she says she drives fast, like she's being modest. Like she drives fast. Like, you clenching butt cheeks, literally. You're clenching butt cheeks, but it moves, it handles. So
that one time you screamed, that was funny.
Yeah, when she first came, So when she first came to my house, and we were driving down my street when she first got the car, and she's like slowing down, and I'm like, why is she slowing down? I just didn't know why, and that's my head was. And I'm like, wow, I wasn't expecting it at all. Because I'm thinking that at the end of the day, I'm still thinking this is a Kia. You know what I'm saying?
Disrespect.
I disrespected. I did. I disrespected the Kia. So it sounds like, I mean, it's not too many things that just you don't like about the car.
No, I mean, it'd be nice if that went down, but it's not been an issue it being up. Like, there's not any heat damage to this. It gets pretty hot. Like you said, about maybe 110 the hottest. And I don't feel like this last summer was real hot.
Well, then if that's all you got for the dislikes, then let's talk about the likes. Like, what is your favorite thing about this car?
Sport mode, definitely.
Sport mode.
Definitely. I do like to drive with the sunroof, moonroof. Don't know. Forget the difference. I like to drive with that open.
Okay.
You can actually drive pretty fast with that open. I've hit 80 with that open, and the little thing didn't break or nothing. I like that the price point of this car was fantastic for what you get.
Okay. Which was?
Oh, I think brand new it was like 42 or something, but it was on sale. It was Christmas time. It was rebates.
Okay.
So it was like 35.
Okay.
Like it was a good little deal.
So yeah, so if somebody wants this car, 42 to get the shit, everything.
And and plus this also is an upgraded package, the split leather.
Okay.
And then the GT1 is the second highest package. The GT2 has the extra electronic shit where lane departure warnings and all that shit that I don't need nor want.
Okay.
But it also has an automatic trunk, which I did kind of want, but I didn't want to have to pay 10 grand to get the whole package.
Oh. Yeah.
It wasn't like offered separately.
Gotcha.
And then I think it had remote start too in that package, which I also wanted, but not offered separately. But you could do that aftermarket. Oh, dislikes. Car tires. They're both 19s, but they're two different sizes. So the back ones are wider and they wear out faster. So I have 10,883 miles on this car, and those tires will need to be replaced in a couple of months. And then the front ones will go a whole nother cycle of back tires. So I'll replace 2 and then 4 and then 2, like that.
Oh, okay. Got you. So you can't rotate these tires?
No, you can do side to side, but not front to back.
Got you.
But yeah, I mean, it's a performance tire, so they don't last as long. And the ones that come standard, the ones that came standard on the car when I got it were the Michelin summer tires. So they don't perform as well in the rain because they're meant for summer, but that works out for me because I don't drive far, and we don't really, normally we don't get a lot of rain here. So likes, fast, affordable, came with a lot of options for colors.
What makes you go with black?
All my cars are black.
Okay. I know you were saying that you were talking about getting a wrap. Well, like what kind of wrap would you want to put on?
Oh, something that goes with the red. I'm not even a big fan of red, but I do like the way the split leather looked with the red, because they also had, was it gray? They had one other one, but the red looked nice. And you're not gonna be able to see it, but the lights change colors too.
Oh, like on the inside?
On the inside. So it looks nice when you have it on red, with the red,
Gotcha.
Matchy. I like that the trunk size is, just about as big as the trunk on a sedan.
Yeah, I was looking at the trunk and I was thinking how much space for the speakers. That's all I care about. Like, is there enough space for the speakers? Maybe I can get 1 or 2 grocery bags in here. I don't know.
Nah, it's a good size trunk.
Yeah, it definitely was a good size trunk.
You know, it's like a 3-body size trunk.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, well, maybe one of me, but you know.
Yeah, well, how flexible are you?
Hey, not at all.
The back seat is respectable for a sports car. Unless your passenger is 6'4", then
Yeah.
I mean you're pretty much assed out no matter what you're driving.
Facts. Well, I don't know. I think a Hellcat might give a lot more room in the back. Hopefully I'll figure that one out pretty soon. That's what I'm trying to get.
Those, so.
If I get one of those, we definitely gonna be racing.
I don't know. I don't think that you would drive faster than me though. I think you'd be nervous.
I think that a Hellcat would make me go balls to the floor, and I'm sorry, it's that exhaust. I had a SUV and I put some pipes on it, and it barked when I drove by cars. It would set off the car alarms. Like, it was loud. And I was getting off the freeway one day, and I hadn't changed my tires yet. It was raining, first rain. I get off the freeway and I'm looking to my right, and there's this pretty little girl in the car next to me. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna show off. Should have never did that. So I wanted to tap the gas a little hard. No, just so she can hear that bark. The dumbest decision I've ever made, because as soon as I tapped it, the whole entire SUV spun as I was getting off the freeway, spun, and I ended up on the center divide.
Damn.
Alright. They probably gonna hella get nervous when we pass them.
Ready?
Are we ready?
We're at 80, 90, 93, 94, 97.
How fast was that? Hey, somebody tell me in the comments. Do the math on that one. We got up to 95. Golly.
Look, that car's still fucking up there.
God, 95. God. Okay. Hey.
Oh my God, they are going stupid slow.
Maybe their car broke down.
No, tires are fine.
He's just looking. He might be lost. Yeah.
Smooth. Now look how fucked up this road is.
Okay. I'm like, I literally have. It's like I don't know what to say. Like, I'm just enjoying my. Hey, I hope the I hope y'all not looking for a whole lot of commentary, because. All right. Well, that's a Kia Stinger for you.
Zoom zoom.
Yeah, it's definitely zoom zoom. That was.
But it's not like it's not hard to drive. You know, like some cars when they go fast, like it's scary. It's very smooth. It accelerates, decelerates. Like you don't feel like you're gonna lose control at any time.
Woo.
And that's a heels.
Hey, deal. Okay, I hear you.
I can't even really floor it.
Yeah, I think when I drove it, I got it to like 65. It's like, oh.
Yeah, you wasn't doing much.
No, I was not doing
Being
much.
conservative.
Very.
Because it don't take but a couple seconds to hit 65.
Yeah, that's a rush. It's like the blood is trying to come back to my shit right now. It's different when you're not in the driver's seat.
Yeah.
and you're in the passenger seat,
Yeah,
you've been
definitely.
taken for the ride, it's different. Because when you can control it, it's like it doesn't hit you the same way. it really doesn't. It's almost like when people like are in a car and they're texting in any other seat, they'll get car sick. But like when you driving and texting or you looking at your phone, you don't get car sick. Even though you ain't supposed to be texting, but we all do it, so we ain't gonna act like we don't. But when you doing something, I don't know, it's like because you have the full control of what is happening.
Well, you know what to expect.
True.
You know when you're gonna go faster. You know when you're gonna brake.
True.
It's not a surprise. That's the shit that's scary.
Oh, like how do men react when they see you in this?
Oh, guys love the car.
Oh, they do?
Always like, what is this? What is that?
Okay, that's cool.
Always checking it out, especially at the gas station.
Uh-oh. Everybody trying to holler at you.
No.
Do you feel like they're more intimidated because they see you in a nice car?
I don't know, because my face isn't nice all the time, so I don't exactly look approachable.
Oh man.
Not sure on that one. You tell me.
Y'all comment in the comments if you saw a woman driving a Stinger. Would that be a turn on? Would that be intimidation? All right, this is the moment. We finally got an open stretch of road. I'm gonna try to catch her coming by. I think she's kind of far down. I can hear it. Here she comes. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my God, I can smell the rubber.
It's the Korean symbol for Kia. So I bought the little package.
These go on the tire?
Yep.
Yeah, y'all. That's right.
So this will go on the front where the one is right now that says Kia.
That's clean. So instead of that being there, putting that there, yep, that would be clean. What y'all think? I think that'd be dope. I think so. Gotcha.
But then, like, people are really gonna be like, "What the fuck is that?"
Mm-hmm.
Because don't nobody over here really know the Korean symbol for Kia. People don't be on that shit like that.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode. I don't even know what I'm gonna call the channel yet. Can you wave peace to the people? I do appreciate you letting me come and use your car for the first episode. I will be bringing you more, so stay tuned.